not enough coffee or too much, one or the other. Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jack is still down at Lake Jackson, and it's early morning, man, so I'm enjoying my coffee. Ignore the clock. It's early morning for me. I was up way too late painting and doing some other stuff. So, we're going to do some oatmeal, man. It's breakfasty. I always used to get the microwave stuff that you can put in, and it just never came out right. This is the way to do it. This is the way my grandmother used to do it. This is how my mom and dad used to do it. So, I'm going to show you guys. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe. I said it right this time. And ring the little bell down the thing. We very much appreciate all that stuff. And check out our merch down the doobly-doo. And let's get into the recipe. This is going to be a short one. I don't want to be talking all day and shamelessly plugging. Oh, this back. All right, take two. So we're going to need some Quaker oats. You want to get this 1 minute quick oats. The creepy religious looking guy on the top. You're going to want water or milk. I prefer the milk. You're going to need 1 cup of that. And that's it. Everything else is what you want to dress it with. I'm going to use a little butter. I got some light syrup. Get some maple syrup, whatever you want to put in it. And some brown sugar because I can. Now I'm going to go a little over the top of that so I kind of feel bad. So get you a decent sized saucepan. I tried to get one of my smaller ones, but apparently they're all huge. And then 1 cup of milk. You want to put that on medium, high. Let that boil, right? So just... Now, this is enough for one person. Like, you want to do more, you're going to, double, triple the recipe, whatever. So, when it comes to your oats, after this comes to a boil relatively quick, 1/2 cup to 1 cup of oats. Now, it comes down to the individual person. Once you put those in, just give them a stir. If you use 1/2 cup, it's going to be the runnier, wetter oatmeal. If you put in more, it's going to be the thicker, not necessarily lumpy oatmeal, but it's going to be the thicker stuff, which is what I prefer. So I usually go for about 3/4 cup to 1 cup of my oatmeal to milk or water. Now, let it cook for exactly 1 minute. Just keep it stirring while you're in there. This is what 3/4 cup of oatmeal to 1 cup of milk looks like after 1 minute. Just get a stir. You see how it gets so much thicker and looks actually like oatmeal. It expands a bit, so be sure of that. But this is, again, one person. After a minute, turn off your heat, pull it off, pull it right out. You're ready to go. Put in my old-fashioned blue metal enameled bowl thing. I think it's got rust spots on the side, but then that's it. You can dress it with whatever you want. You can eat it now. It's going to be a little bland. I put some brown sugar in here. I didn't mean to grab that much brown sugar, so that's on me. But this is for one person, and I'm fat, so it doesn't really matter. So, so a little bit of brown sugar. You can put regular sugar in it. There's different syrups and stuff you can put in it. And then I use a little bit of my light maple syrup, and again, kind of went overboard because I was looking at the camera and not when I was cooking, so that's on me. So give those a nice stir. And now here, I don't know if it's like a southern thing, Texas thing, or just a fat guy thing, put you a thing of unsalted butter, just a single skinny pat, less than a tablespoon of it, right in the middle. What you're going to do is you're going to eat all the way around it and leave that right in the middle. And you're done. Like, it's like eating a Danish. Like, he's got the cheese Danish thing going on, and you eat all the way around the outside. You leave that bite of cheese in the middle, or an old-fashioned kolache with the fruit and stuff in the middle. You eat around the outside. You save that fruit and stuff for the last bite. Same thing with our oatmeal here. Now, again, this is enough for one person, just because I didn't want to have a whole bunch of oatmeal going cold in my refrigerator or whatever. But this is outstanding. The oatmeal, it was like $1 or something. I think the milk at $1.50 was the most expensive part of this whole thing, and that's for good enough for at least 2 servings of this. So yeah, try this out. Let me know if you do it differently. I want to try this some more. And there you have it, folks. Like, that's how good this is. This is perfect for breakfast because I haven't even been able to finish my coffee and the breakfast is ready, man. So do it for whatever. Just eat it anywhere. You want to dress it somewhere differently, you dress it somewhere differently. Somebody said they put like peach preserves or jellies or something in there. Let me know. I will revisit this. I have a whole tin of oats over there. I'm looking for new ways. It's relatively healthy until you put a lot of sugar and syrup and butter in it. But this is outstanding. This is great. If you do it differently, you want to see me try it differently, let me know. Put it down in the comments. That's what the comments are for, right? Or you can find us on social media. You can find me at Facebook, Pinterest, and Patreon. You can find us at all those at Live in Between Paychecks Kitchen. Again, shout out to our patrons. We couldn't do that. We have some more secrets video coming to you guys pretty soon. I got at least 3 that I want to film this week. So, been working on one with producer for 2-3 weeks now. So that's going to be fun. I still have all my bloopers and stuff. I'm trying to compile those without making me look like too much of an idiot. And you can also find us on Instagram at Living Between. We had to shorten it over there. I'm going to go. I'm going to finish my coffee, eat my oatmeal, and I will catch y'all next time. Y'all be safe. Coffee. It's her fault, man. Totally, she did it. It's not me. I don't have control and impulse problems. Somebody else did it.